Did you know there are such things as super high quality zip ties?
No.
We don't. I mean, all of a sudden, substandard zip ties that you get from auto parts store are not up to Silent Mike standards. Let me show you. This might be the most important part of the video. I put them over here.
I like this. I like where this is going.
Remember their name?
T&B.
Yeah, which like the their initials.
What I call them, because that's not appropriate for camera.
I can't remember what TMB stands for.
I know what it stands for. It's not really officially what it. Thomas and Betts. So these are Thomas and Betts T&B zip ties. Now your normal zip tie. See, this is the exact procedure that Michael gave me. So you got your standard zip tie. This is your piece of junk zip tie. You know, it clicks, and when it gets tight, you really got to like squeeze it to get to the next one. You've got a plastic little tang in there that really is substandard. Now you got the T&B Thomas and Betts. It's not sponsored, by the way. So you've got all these little nylon cords in here, little bumps in here that is probably very hard to see on a GoPro. But if you can see in here, which again you probably can't, but you've got a metal tang in there, much superior. So when you do this zip tie, there's no clicking, but you can move it little centimeters at a time, and it's just overall nicer. Now, the second part of this is you can't listen.
This is zip tie game.
This is zip tie gang. You don't cut zip ties with your standard normal dikes. Like, people, before Silent Mike, people would cut zip ties like this.
That's dangerous.
And this will put you in the hospital. What you have to do is you have to have these special flush cuts with T&B.
Oh,
I mean, if you're not satisfied with that, I mean, I don't know what's going to do it for
I think I just got chills. I'm buying these like right now. It's happening.
we got
T&B
this.
tie wrap.
Yeah, it's right here. Thomas and Betts. I mean, we did the math. I think for a pack of, what was this? This is a pack of 1,000. I think it was like 0.18, like it was less than like 18 cents per one. It was like stupid cheap. But those are some good zip ties. You gotta have flush cuts.
Yeah, I'd say. What's the price breakdown on these T&B ones versus a regular zip tie?
Oh, I have no idea.
Like, Parts Store, Harbor Freight, something like that. You never.
I mean, I'm probably, if you actually bought them smart online, they're probably cheaper than going to like O'Reilly's or Napa because they're going to mark them up like crazy. So I'm assuming by the time you go get a pack of 50 at an auto parts store, like you could probably, that whole bag was $40 or $50, and it's 1,000 of them.
Yeah.
So do that math. 1,000 divided by 50, you're less than a cent per one, I think.
That's not bad at all. I mean, that would take you a long time to use that whole bag.
Depends. Just depends. But
Who you are. Take me a long time to use that whole bag.
man, that was zip tie schooling right there. I forgot what I'm supposed to be doing over here.
I'm blown away.
I just got winded talking about that.
I'm excited. I can't wait to start doing these, and then I can just flex at everybody. Did you know there's better zip ties than these
You
ones?
know that your zip ties are a pile of junk.
You-
Let me show you why.
Oh, you build this with regular zip ties? Huh, you peasant. You need these.
Not sponsored by Thomas Betts.
Tie game.
This is zip tie gang.